How to edit bio on Bumble. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to edit bio on Bumble. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Bumble application. Then this type of screen interface will be shown on your screen. On this video, you can swipe it right if you like the person or swipe it left if you don't. As you can see different icon on the bottom, tap on the profile icon as this will lead you to my Bumble profile. From here you have to tap on your Bumble profile and click on edit my profile. If you scroll down, above my basics you can find my bio. To edit your bio, tap on the box. Here edit the bio as you want and tap on save. And you are good to go. You have easily edited your bio on Bumble. If you have any doubt or queries related to this topic, you can simply ask us on the comment section. And this was it for this video. If you found the tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.